Welcome back, friends. This is Solomon Jagwe. I'm back with another quick insight. This is the first video that I've seen of a beta tester that has released something that's incredible. This is amazing. No mocap suit was used, and this robot was just plugged in like a one-click replace. SSK share this on their YouTube channel, and I'll put the link to their channel in the description of this video. But this is amazing. Wonder Dynamics. I can't wait to get my beta testing done. This is incredible. Look at that, right? No mocap suit. This is just tracking another actor and then replacing it instantly with a 3D model. And look at that. And you're able to download the mocap file by itself. Oh my gosh. This is going to change everything we know, the way we know animation as we look at that. Amazing. Please subscribe to the SSK channel. He's doing some amazing work with our Wonder Dynamics. This is amazing. Thank you guys for joining me today. Do please spare a minute to subscribe.